Hi everyone, my name is Zubaida Vijalestari from Universitas Islam Nusantara located in Bandung, Indonesia. Today, I would like to share about the research concerning the vocational skills training model to embody social independence of mild intellectual disability people. There are three researchers here. The first is Ibu Ende Devairia, the second one is Ibu Nani Nuraini, and the third one is me myself. Today we would like to talk about the research background, about the methodology, about the result, and conclusion and acknowledgement. Before we get into the background, there are three important definitions here. The first is vocational skill. In this regard, vocational skill for intellectual disability people aim to improve the ability to do certain jobs according to their talent, interests, and needs. While the second definition is mild intellectual disability. It is one of the classification of intellectual disability who have the highest intelligence among other groups. They experience difficulties in academic fields, while in non-academic subjects they do not experience hard difficulties. And the third definition is social independence. In this study, independence for my intellectual disability people include aspects of the ability to adapt to the norm of society. Now about the research background. There are many reasons why we want to conduct this research. Firstly, is that because there are some problems faced by intellectual disability people with respect to the skill they have are not in accordance with the type of skill and standard that apply in the business world and industrial world. In the reality, in this field, many adults with mental retardation are still dependent on their parents and other adults. And then there are still lack of institutions that provide vocational skill training for intellectual disability people. And the last one, the community has not responded positively to the existence of the intellectual disability people. So that's why it is necessary for us to try to develop a kind of model to improve the social independence for intellectual disability people. In conducting the research, we use the research methodology proposed by Borg and Gall in form of research development, while the participants of this study are post-school mild intellectual disability instructor and social worker in the rehabilitation service for disability in West Java Province, Indonesia. The instruments to collect the data are observation, interview, and focus group discussion. Now we get into the discussion. The vocational skills training model can apply and can develop the skill and insight of intellectual disability people in the process to be independent and more their understanding about the values in society. The training administrator is social service for rehabilitation of people with disabilities in West Java Province. A plan or design of activities training according to the standard based on the types work. And the stages are follow up. The first is the planning. In the planning process, we identify of training participants. It is carried out by collecting data on potential training participants. And after that, we identify the type of training. The training organizer examines various potential industry and institutions that exist around their territory. Also, we identify the type of skill that appropriate that can be obtained in each industry. And after that, we do the assessment. The skill assessment area for training participants with special need focus on the area of vocational skill, which is determined from the result of identification and assessment. Now we have some picture that is consists of the activity of mild intellectual disability people when they do the training and when they do the internship. It is carried out by instructor, social workers, and training participants and service manager in continuous collaboration. Here, they try to put practice and theory into the field. But unfortunately, the principle of special education with individual and andragogical approaches as well as participatory method have not been implemented optimally. When the training is running, the instructor also provide motivation and reinforcement as a realization of the social constructive approach. Now we can see also here some of the mild intellectual disability people do the training. In evaluation that carry out in form of non-tests during the training process and before the apprenticeship to determine the competence, skill, and readiness to work. Training condition is not in accordance with principle of special service education training, including individual and participatory approach. The result of this assessment have not been well documented. They are still fragmented. After they do the training, they also follow the internship. The apprenticeship program is a form of education and job training that can shape the competence of students so that it can bridge school with the industrial world of user and graduates. The West Java Social Service have made a memorandum of understanding to carry out an internship at the end of 3 weeks training in several agencies in the field of screen printing, salons, home industry, culinary, and center of teaching learning. And then after that, we will have into the conclusion of the research. We conclude that the vocational skill training model is applicable to achieve independence and give insight for intellectual disability people about the process of skilled work by following the values of applicable rules. This training model is useful to supporting the workability of people with intellectual disability people as prospective workers. And also, this training model is designed by conducting identification and assessment and implemented in integrated manner with a memorandum of understanding process between institution, parent, and the business world. Okay, we would like to really appreciate to the Ministry of Research and Technology, National Research and Innovation Agency for the research grant that we received so that we can conduct this kind of research. If you have any question and you get suggestion, you can find me at zubaida.wijilestari@gmail.com. Thank you.